Hello, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we will be discussing a topic which might just get you thinking. Kisses. Stick till to the end, the 11th fact will really get you thinking. Enjoy the video. 1. Kissing is good for you. A few of its benefits: it can help reduce dermatitis and blemishes. It can also help fight tooth decay because the extra saliva it produces cleans out your mouth. Kissing for a minute can burn up to 26 calories. And when practiced regularly, kissing may even add a few years to your life. One study claimed that men who kiss their wives every morning before leaving for work live 5 years longer than those who don't. 2. On the other hand, kissing can spread germs. One peck can contain up to 80 million new bacteria, and frequent kissing can change your microbiome. But emerging research suggests that sharing microbes could offer some healthy benefits. 3. We spend 2 weeks of our lives kissing. On average, people spend about 336 hours snogging. That's a lot of lip service. 4. The longest movie kiss lasted more than 3 minutes. Actresses Necker Zadigan and Tracy Dinwiddie locked lips for a record-setting 3 minutes and 23 seconds in the 2010 film Elena Undone. Actors Gregory Smith and Stephanie Sharon's smooch lasted for 6 minutes in the 2005 low-budget comedy Kids in America, but it took place during the closing credits. 5. The longest real-world kiss lasted a lot longer. In 2013, Thai couple Ekachai and Laksana Tiranarat smashed their previous world record of 46 hours, 24 minutes and 9 seconds, set in 2011. They kissed without a break for an incredible 58 hours, 35 minutes and 58 seconds, which beat the existing record by almost 8 hours. 6. Arcane laws about kissing are still on the books. In Indiana, it is illegal for men with mustaches to habitually kiss human beings. Presumably, any other species is fair game. In Colorado's Logan County, a man is forbidden to kiss a woman while she's asleep. And in Hartford, Connecticut, men are apparently prohibited from kissing their wives on Sundays. 7. Kissing the Blarney Stone is okay, though. According to legend, the builder of Ireland's Blarney Castle, one Cormac Later McCarthy, was involved in a lawsuit and appealed to the Irish goddess Cleodna for help. She told him to kiss the first rock he found on his way to court. As a result, he pleaded his case with great eloquence and won. McCarthy then laid the lucky stone into the parapet of his castle. 8. Lips are like snowflakes. As with frosty crystals and human fingerprints, no two lip impressions are the same. 9. A kiss has marked the spot since the Middle Ages. Back in medieval times, before most people could read or write, they signed their name with an X, then kissed the mark to show their sincere intent. 10. French kisses are in the dictionary. The term, French kiss, has been around since Victorian times, and first appeared in print in a World War I-era book called Private Lindner's Letters. The thought was that the French were experts in passionate romance. In France, they call it baiser amoureux, love kiss, or baiser avec la langue, kiss with the tongue. The word galacher, the verb for to kiss with tongues, was added to French dictionaries in 2014. 11. A first kiss is enough for a woman to pass judgment on her partner. A 2007 study found that women can make up their minds about a potential mate after that first kiss. The study looked at 1,041 heterosexual co-eds and found that kissing is more important to women when it comes to deciding whether they want to date someone or not. A similar study in 2013 found that women will typically make a snap judgment about a relationship based on a first kiss. It's worth noting that both of these studies only examined straight people.